Our new film, Into America's Wild, it's an adventure into the hidden gems and the natural wonders of our world.
It's an exciting film for me because it's all about what I love, nature.
We're definitely surrounded by technology in almost every aspect of our lives, so I love the idea of completely unplugging and going out and experiencing nature.
We went all over the United States.
Kayaking down Oregon's coast, traveling up the Appalachian Trail, the ancient homelands of the Southwest.
To see them in IMAX is amazing. You feel like you're actually there.
I think it's important for teachers to take their kids to see this film. The whole point of teaching is that we want to build lifelong learners.
Pushing kids to get out of their comfort zones and take risks.
We've got some of the best characters I think we've ever had. The first Native American astronaut, John Harrington, and Native Alaskan pilot, Ariel Tweedo. They have a passion for inspiring the next generation to get off their screens, off the couch, and out into the natural world.
The film checks off quite a few boxes in the curriculum for them, all of the next generation science standards. It covers geography, it covers history, social studies, math and engineering.
The importance of taking care of our whole bodies, physically, mentally, and emotionally.
Just stepping outside, you're doing something for yourself and you're taking care of yourself.
You get to see these beautiful places that you wouldn't normally get to. It makes you want to get outside.
There are a lot of ways to get back to the natural world.
You don't have to drive or fly really far to find nature. You can actually find it in your own backyard.
I want my students to see that and think, hey, that could be me. I could be making those connections as well.